Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Libra placements. This is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong June. Okay, so yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yeah, protection from evil eye. We do have ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, so meron din tayo pagdating sa love, sa mga connection. If you're looking for love, if you're single, no. And kung may mga conflicts, yan, pagdating sa inyong mga connection, so ito yung pwede sa'yo. And syempre, may plus to, okay, citrine. Oo, citrine stone, which is what? Money magnet. Okay, so yeah, love and money, itong ating bracelet na to. Nalilimutan ko na lang talagang, yeah, kasi masyado akong focus sa love pagdating dyan. And syempre, yeah, this is magnet. Okay, pagdating sa love and pagdating sa money again. So, yeah, si grantor, grantor necklace. Pagdating naman sa ating mga minamanifest, so siya yung mag-grant. Okay? Siya yung mag-grant. And tagapagbigay rin ng surprises si grantor. And syempre, yung ating pang cord cutting. Yan. So si cord cut is siya yung like mag-aalis. Okay? Magka-cut sa mga unnecessary energies na talagang parang nakaka-day na sa'yo, kaya hindi ka makausad, hindi ka makaalis, hanggang dito ka lang, like that, no? So, kaya ka minsan nakakapagsalita ng ano ba naman yan, ang MALAS, yun, sila yung mga tatanggalin natin, no? So, let's see, Libra, in general, what's for you? Sensya na po, ha? Okay, inubo na naman. At sinipon. So, this is a new deck, by the way. So, I have to shuffle it ng maraming beses. Para hindi sila dikit-dikit. Libra. Libra. In general, what's for you this month of June? What's for you, Libra? One more. Libra placements. What is for you, Libra? Okay. 7 of Swords in reversed. May mga mabubunyag. Yes, may mga mabubunyag in general. Kung ano man yung mga nakatago. What's with the 7 of Swords in reversed? The 9 of Wands in reverse. Kung ano man to. Okay. Pwedeng matutuklasan, pwedeng makikita, malalaman ngayong June. Some of you, meron dito magre-resurface somebody na pwedeng nagtago sa'yo or ginost ka. Something like that. Yeah, the moon. And sabihin natin magbibigay ng confusion or sadness if ever. Kung ano man ito. Some of you, this is talking about, sabihin natin, cheating. Yeah. The 3 of Pentacles. There's 3 people. Okay. And I think may chance na talagang kailangan, no? Kailangan mangyari yun. Kailangan malaman. Or some of you, kung ano man itong tinatago, or sabihin nating yung iba sa inyo, parang hindi mo magawa yung gusto mong gawin kasi ikaw itong may doubt sa sarili mo. Baka mamaya hindi magustuhan or what. Some of you have to get opinions, okay, from other people. Or maybe, ikaw itong kailangang kumuha ng partner kung hindi mo kaya na ikaw lang. Parang ganyan. Okay, so some of you kasi, this is talking about money. Or sa career mo, business if ever. Yeah. There's this issue pagdating sa workplace. Yeah. sabotage. Meron akong sabotage. Nakikita. The word sabotage. Pagdating sa workplace. Or, okay, in general. Meron kayong malalamang chismis, o, diba? Mayroon kayong malalamang chismis pagdating sa isang lugar. Sabihin natin alam mo. Like, kilala mo yung lugar. Kilala mo rin yung mga tao doon. Parang meron kayong malalamang something. Like, chismis. Oo. What else, Libra? Libra. Tower. Okay, that's unexpected. Something unexpected. The Devil. What's with this? This is Scorpio and Capricorn. What's that? The Hanged Man. May malilesen, something like that. Or sabihin natin, yeah, the Two of Cups. This is sabihin natin a big decision na kailangang planuhin or pagplanuhan bago dumesisyon. Meron akong nakikita, narinig, nakabinbin or may mapepending. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Again, the Wheel of Fortune. I don't know if this is talking about somebody's karma. Okay. Anyway. Unexpected. Hindi ko alam kung anong tinutukoy dito. Pero yeah, this is general. Iiwasan na yung bisyo ng iba. Kung ano man yung bisyo nyo. Or kailangan nyo nang iwasan. Somebody wants to reach out. This person is always thinking of you. Meron din ditong nag-iisip ng something like, ano bang meron? Okay, like, meron kasing isip ng isip, or I don't know, kung nag-obsess na to. You're thinking, sabihin natin, kung ano man, like, pang sarili lang nila yun. Okay? So, may mga judgment, oo, kung naririnig dito. Pero they're just going with the flow. Kung anong meron. I don't know. Okay, so what else? What else? For Libra. Some of you, Libra, okay, may mga pwedeng mangyaring delays ngayong June. And I think, pwedeng i-avoid ka nito sa hindi maganda eh. That's general. Okay? Talagang ginagabayan ka pa rin. Ha? So, kung merong hindi mangyayari or kung merong mapepending, hindi matutuloy ngayong June, sabihin nating ia-adya ka lang sa hindi maganda. Okay? In general. Yeah, in general. Yeah, that's the message. So, what else for Libra? Libra. Ten of Pentacles. Money is coming. Yeah, your money is going up. Going up. Iba sa inyo pwedeng ma-promote. Pero yun nga lang, may mga mananabotahe dito. Alam niyo yun, may mga silip kasi. Okay? Ano tong Ten of Pentacles? The Chariot in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong sabihin nating parang gagastos pagdating sa isang travel, or ikaw itong magkikip ng pera. Ano tong Chariot in reverse? Pwedeng iba sa inyo is gagastos pagdating sa sasakyan mo. Parang ganyan. Yeah, that's specific. What's with that Chariot in reverse? Yeah. I'm hearing PMS. Kumusta yung pamamera ng iba sa inyo? Kailangan nyong mag-provide ng, sabihin nating, mas magandang plano pagdating dyan sa pamamera ninyo. Kasi parang labas-pasok lang eh. Okay, labas-pasok. Like, pagkakuha mo ng pera, labas agad. Parang ganun. Kailangan yung merong baguhin. Magkaroon ng mas okay na plano. Yeah. 7 of Cups. Plan A to Z. Parang ganun, plan A to Z. Anyway, so siguro, may chance na iba sa inyo gagawa ng ibang paraan, ibang plano para magkaroon din ng ibang source of income maybe. Okay, so yeah, let's go na sa the person on your mind. The person on Libra's mind, were they? Who is this, Libra? Who is this? Libra placements. Who is this person you're thinking of? Okay. The Six of Swords. The Hierophant. Responsible. This person is so responsible. They have a lot of plans. At marunong silang mag-commit sa lahat ng plano nila. Marunong silang maging responsable sa lahat ng mga gusto nilang mangyari sa buhay nila. They know kung papaano. Okay? So, anong sitwasyon? Anong meron sa inyo? Okay, there's conflict. The Five of Swords. Why? This person wants to be with you. Actually, they want to be with you. They want marriage with you. They want long-term connection with you. They want you. They're into you. So, andun yung energy na parang, yes, andun na yung lahat ng plano. Kasama ka sa plano ng taong to. Pero there's conflict. The Five of Swords. What's with that? What's with this Five of Swords? The Two of Swords in reverse. Decisions. Pagpili. Meron ba? May kailangan bang piliin dito? The Hangman in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so I think there's this something issue pagdating sa pera ng iba. Or sabihin natin sa status. Okay, sa status. So, kung ano man ang iyo. So, in general, there's conflict. There is conflict here. Sa situation. Even though, yes, gusto ka ng taong to. How do they see you? Huwag natin kunin yung emosyon kasi kita naman natin na gusto ka. Magulo lang talaga ang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Ang daming pagdedesisyon na kailangan gawin. So, tingnan natin. Ano bang tingin niya sa'yo, Libra? Anong tingin niya sa'yo ngayon? Ten of Wands. Na sabihin natin parang kailangan niya mag-pursue sa'yo. Kailangan niyang maging responsible, no? Ten of Wands. Sana hindi ka natitingnan ng tao to as their ang tawag dito? Burden. Why? What's with this Ten of Wands? The Seven of Swords in reversed. Oh, yeah. The judgment. For them, they see you as somebody na pwedeng i-pursue talaga. Alam nila kung anong meron. Kung ikaw yung ipupursue. Alam nila that you're a good catch. Okay? Alam nila. Some of them, they're being ready. Yeah. Open lang din. Sabihin natin, yung pag-iisip ng taong ito is nilalawakan niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong issue sa inyo, ha. Kasi ang nakikita ko lang dito is issue at decision. Pagdedesisyon. How do you see them, Libra? How do you see this person? How do you see them? Eight of Swords. Overthinking. A lot. Feeling mo stuck sila. Why? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Some of them feeling mo hindi pa rin totally okay when it comes to their finances. Financial nila, hindi pa sila ganun ka-stable enough maybe. Yeah. Open a line of communication for some of you. The Ten of Cups in reverse. The Two of Cups in reverse. Parang feeling mo hindi sila matatanggap ng family mo, I think. Feeling mo some of them hindi sila nagiging fair when it comes to finances. I don't know kung sino ang mas gumagastos. Yeah, that's specific. Ang mas gumagastos dito. Tingin mo sa kanila mahigpit sa pera. Ito. Tingin mo sa kanya mahigpit sa pera. So what is their next action towards you, Libra? What is their next action towards you? Okay. Ten of Pentacles in reversed. The Hermit in reverse. The Ace of Swords. Parang kung ano man ang malabo sa ngayon, lagi siyang merong sabihin nating isang dahilan para maging malinaw yung sitwasyon nyo. Okay? Kahit magulo, kahit malabo, kahit madilim, lagi siyang handa. Lagi siyang, kaya sabihin nating may dahilan, may rason itong taong to. Okay? Para kumunik. Para masabing okay to. Okay lang to. Parang ganun. Yeah, they really want you. Actually. Some of them matalino. So, what's the advice for you, Libra? What's the advice? Okay. Ibinato. Oh, diba? The Lovers. Yeah, that's, ano. So, let's see. What's with that Lovers? The Three of Swords. So, for me, this is balance. Pagkakaroon ng fairness para maiwasan to. Okay? I don't know kung balance ba, pera, emosyon. The King of Swords is here in reverse. Somebody is not ready. Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Pwedeng, yung isa is logic, yung isa is emotion ang gumagana. So, that is why medyo there's imbalance here. So, hanggat kaya nyong patakbuhin itong connection nyo na to without sabihin nating issue. Kung meron nga, di ba, may issue dito. Kung kaya nyong patakbuhin ng tama at ayos, smooth flowing even though there's issue, magiging okay ito. Actually, magiging okay ito. Avoid third parties. Avoid third parties. Kasi kung may third party dito, may chance na yun yung isang issue dito. Kailangan pumili. Okay? Kailangan ng pumili. But yes, see, the Justice. Nagkaroon ng balance eh. Anyway, so this is you. Some of you, ikaw yung kailangan gumawa ng decision here. Some of us, no, mga Libra, some of you, there's this chance na pwedeng nagiging indecisive ka. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So, let's see. Aries through Pisces. For Libra. So, the sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Ang name ay Love Letter. Yes, meron doong mga love messages ng mga sabihin nating nakatagong mga names. Discreet, diba? So, parang message ng somebody sa isang tao. Malay mo, meron kang love letter doon, di mo alam. Okay? So, let's see. Aries, no actions, there's delays. Taurus, they're selfish. Gemini, they want to communicate. Cancer, they want to take risk. Maybe some of them, they're starting a new beginning. They want a new beginning sa part nila. Okay? Like that. So, Leo, they want connection. Or maybe nararamdaman ka pa rin ni Leo. Virgo, they're trying to avoid you, I think. Or maybe trying to avoid na ma-attach sa'yo. Libra, they're focusing on their work. Meron silang kailangang talagang pag-focusan. Yeah, or maybe their focus is on you. Scorpio, you're their star. Okay, they see us, their star. They admire you. Sagittarius, they have regrets. Some of them, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you, feeling the connection still. Okay, Capricorn, they're trying na mag-heal, pero para silang nasa tug of war. Yeah. Aquarius, they want to heal. They're healing. They are healing. Pisces, they're interested in you. Some of them, they have this, merong cup of love. Na pwedeng iabot sa'yo si Pisces. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung isa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Love Letter. Okay, thank you. Bye.